Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is September 11th at 2024 at 6:46 in the morning. What a wild day yesterday was. I mean, the New York session right into Asia. Every support level that was given was broken. Every resistance level, basically held. In bearish marketplaces, resistance is going to hold and support is going to break. And we went basically beyond points that I mentioned. I had an overall target in dollar yen. Basically, there was support at 141.75. I said we went beyond that. We went to really a medium term low that was at 140.80, and we surpassed that. I mean, we basically just touched it at 140.71. But that's a warning. That's always a warning for me. That even if it went 10 points down, there's something going on. So dollar yen right now is in a consolidation phase. Let me do some analysis for it. Because dollar yen is the one that's really been running, the crosses. That's why I'm focusing on it first. Also, we have CPI numbers coming out today, so I'll discuss that. I don't really care about numbers. I care about the points that I have in the marketplace. I believe that price basically predicts like the news, not the other way around. So right now, what we're seeing in dollar yen is the main, like this, like a longer term support is at 140.25. So far, it's basically crawled up above this 141.20 level, which is good. I mean, that's showing a little bit of recovery for dollar yen, but your main resistance points right now are actually right here. They're right around the 70 level. Let's see, no, wait, 20, yeah, right around 80, and then we have the next major resistance at 142.05. Now, with the news coming out, and the marketplace is extremely short. If the CPI comes in greater than 0.2 as expected, they're going to think, oh, the Fed's not going to lower rates. I mean, I really don't think really makes a difference. Even if it's, for me, I'm a technical trader, so all I pay attention to is the charts, not so much, the fundamental news. Believe me, I've tried it. in the beginning of my career, I thought I could figure it all out. Billions of pieces of information. It just doesn't work. I mean, it gave me a massive headache and confused me even more. Even like thinking about CPI coming out today kind of like throws me off a little bit for markets. But so it really needs to hold 141.20 in the short term, basically try to get us up to 142.065. Let's go over the crosses, and then of course we have the next level of resistance at 142, like 143 the figure. Now, what are these? These points were old support points I gave you the other day. Now, because the market's broken, the old support becomes resistance. And that's as simplest way I can explain it. So let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. Sterling dollar made basically just it went right down to that support we talked about, saying that I don't see sterling going much below 130.50. Well, it's kind of funky, huh? Right there, that's good enough. You get the point. It held the 130.50. Said it needed to get above. Well, today's a little bit different. So let's look at today. It's probably gonna be like 130.85. Let me just look at the cable. Look at my cable volatility here. Yeah, it still needs to get above 131.40 up here. to show strength. It's still not. Why isn't this thing working, man? Come on. Right up there. It needs to get above 131.40, and it needs to hold this 130.50. If it could break this 130.50, okay. Where are we going? Well, at 129.95. Like I said, it's really not an exciting currency right now. Let's move on over to good old sterling yen. All right, I implore you. I'm going to put a link in the video for yesterday to give these levels. This level was a medium-term level that hit right to the pence. Instead of the penny, the pence. Marketplace reversed up. This is like a short-term reversal point right here, saying, okay, we could get some strength. Well, where's it going? Well, if it could hold this level, it's going up to 185.71. If it breaks 185.71, it's going right up into here, right up at 186.40ish. Okay. Again, we got some numbers coming out, which is going to be great for volatility. I don't really care about the number itself, but it's going to be great for volatility. Let's finish off with Euro Yen. Euro Yen main support, longer term supports 155.18. We came damn close to it last night. Got to trade what you see in the marketplace today. This is like a short term reversal point right here, 156 the figure. We're trading a little bit above 156 the figure. There should be resistance right around. Well, I'm going to go up to the high bars close in here. Right around 156.97 should be short-term resistance. If it could get above 156.97, we're back into the 157.30s like that. If it comes and reverses back down through this point, then we're tracking down to the 155.18 levels. Dollar yen is the key. So we got to watch the dollar yen. If you watched, please watch the other video from yesterday, the analysis from yesterday. It was spot on. If you followed it, God bless you. You could have made 400 points, or in two different currencies. 400 points in two currencies, 800 points in a couple of days. If you watch the series, Park Avenue Trading was right on. The price predictor, Tom Alongi, was right on. And remember, if you like what you see, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the videos far and wide so we can build a really big trading community. Get on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Oh, enjoy the party. Dance near the door. Cheers.